sorry, y'all. I'm really tired. But let me just finish this introduction. Actually, let me not. Let's just watch the video, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Enjoy the video, thumbs up, subscribe. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into it. To get started, I'm going to be sculpting underneath my eyebrows with the Anastasia Cream Concealer Kit. And I'm actually using the lightest color, which I think is cream. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that all under my brows to give it as if I just got it done, but we all know we didn't. And then I'm going to be mixing a brown color that's underneath the lightest color. I don't have the palette with me right now because I'm at work doing this voiceover, but basically I just follow the natural shape of my brows and I go in the middle. Then I slightly fill them in with eyebrow pencil, and that's pretty much it. I just slightly fill them in. It's Luxie brush. It's the 140 and it's called a detail tapered blender, and I'm just gonna blend out under my eyebrows with that. And it's really angled out, and I'm just gonna drag everything down. I honestly like when my eyebrows are freshly done, because right now I feel like whatever. The foundation that I'm using is the 340 Cappuccino by Maybelline. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit because I don't want to like be too caked up because it is hot out here. So I just put like a dime amount on my hand. That's all I'm going to use. And I'm going to try not to touch my eyebrows, and I'm going to try not to get around this area, but everywhere else around it. I'm just pressing it into my skin because this is like more of a flat top foundation brush. It's like, I know I look a little crazy right now. What I'm doing is using a setting powder, Revolution setting powder, and I'm gonna go ahead, and it's in the color Banana, and I'm just gonna set my eyes to apply a light. You can also use this palette right here to do this look, but I'm not. I'm using like a really boring old palette, but I love the browns in it. If you want to see it, it's old. And I'm using these two colors right here to just make this eye look, because it's going to be super quick and easy, and it's really a lot of browns. And I'm just going to use, what I like about this look, it doesn't really necessarily need a lot of precision, which means you don't have to be clean. You could be as messy as you like, kind of. Fuck me. I almost dropped everything. The same thing for here. I fucked up, as you can see, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a flatter brush. When I tell you this look is easy, it's super easy. You don't even have to do an eyeliner. You're gonna see how cute it is. I hope. You know when you're like trying to get back on YouTube and the pressure is just on your ass? Like, are people gonna even want to watch me again? I did end up going in the palette to just darken my crease just a little bit. Color Fulani and Zulu and the Juvia's The Masquerade palette. And I'm just gonna apply that in here. Okay, blend that out. Under here, I don't want it to like be too dark down here, so I'm just gonna just a little bit. Okay, so I do use a lot of concealer. I don't want to hear the comments. I do, but I'm using two concealers. I'm using the Born This Way in the color Tan, right under, like, because this is really light, so I'm using tan right on top of it, right? And then I'm going back with another light one, which is the ColourPop concealers, no filter concealers. I love these concealers. And this is in the color Medium Dark 34. And this whole fucking brush just broke on me. It like fell apart. So I gotta use a whole different wand from an old. Let's just skip this whole part. I'm Sorry for the faces, y'all. It's just a bad habit. I do conceal my whole nose at this point because it makes no sense just to conceal part of it. And singed by flavor. So I'm just like concealer on my lips. In 3 refreshing flavors. So what I'm going to do now is slightly set my face. I don't use a lot of setting powder no more because it's not that serious. So I use this brush right here, and it's really like a nice angled fluffy brush. And I just like slightly go over where I highlighted earlier with my concealers. And I'm just gonna, like I said, slightly go in there. And then my nose, obviously you wouldn't want to take advice from somebody who looks like Ghost of Casper. But baby, I feel so ghostly. I'm about to put some lip gloss on. Oh my gosh. Okay, a little bit better. So next what I'm gonna do, we're gonna try to warm up our face a little bit because we're looking like death. But I'm using the Urban Decay powder in the color Deep. And I'm just gonna go ahead around the surroundings of my face with this powder. I love it because it has this nice orange undertone to it, or this yellow undertone, and it's really beautiful, as you can see already. That's the powder, y'all. Like, that's the powder that's giving me this nice bronze. Okay, I'm just gonna like put it on my forehead. My cat better kill this fucking fly that's flying in here. That's her main purpose here, to kill insects. What I use to contour my nose, honestly, I think it's a nose contour brush. It's angled out and it's pretty perfect. And like I said, I'm using the same powder that I warmed up my face with to contour my nose. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start at the bridge of my nose. And I'm gonna start at the bridge right here as well. And I'm dragging that upwards. And then I'm dragging that down a little bit. And then you want to blend it upwards towards your brows and into your foundation a little bit. I mean, not your foundation. Onto your eyeshadow a little bit so it could seem seamless. So as you can see, I contoured my nose. And I dragged that right onto my, like I said, eyeshadow a little bit. I'm going to go back with the same brush with no product in it whatsoever. And then just blend that in. Oh my god, it's a fly in here. It's a fly in here, y'all. Quick update, I ended up killing the fly myself, Haitian style, because my cat, she was playing. Let's just go ahead and brush out under my eyes. I'm gonna just brush that out. And then brush that into the side of my nose. So really, this is really the basic face of this look, and then we're just gonna add lashes real quick before I apply the falsies on them. So alright, so I just literally go in and I'm trying to push this bitch in. Using white eyeliner to put under my eyes. So I'm just gonna use that to open up my eyes a little bit. That look like you really did a complicated eye look when you really didn't. It's just the contrast in it. I'm fucking the eye pencil as we speak. Like, I curse a lot, so I'm probably gonna beep a lot of those things. Jezebel and Morocco from this palette, and I'm gonna apply under my eyes. and I'm gonna use a little bit of a darker. Jezebel is a little bit plumish. It's more of a plum, and I'm putting that right under, on top of Morocco. Going in with my mascara. We're just gonna be using Gold Suntanned. Just a nice peak. And then I'll put that on top of my nose. It's almost like a iridescent type of highlight. And then I put it right there. I add it right here. And this is a highlight, really. This is a highlighter. If you can tell, I'm like glazed, and that's how I like to look. I don't want to do much with the lip because I feel like, you know, you want to not do too much. So I could either do lip gloss, but I want to do like a color under it. So let's see what we can find. But guys, so I'm gonna go with this Huda Beauty lip gloss, and it's called Shameless. You just want to put a lip gloss on for a quick look because you already took so damn long doing all this, and it's supposed to be a soft beat look. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, come back and show you guys the actual whole look. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, this is basically the finished look. As you can see, it's a very natural, soft beat glam. Like I said, I will show you guys how to do your eyebrows, obviously, if you don't have full eyebrows. I mean, I still draw them on, but I'm saying like draw them from scratch and not just highlighting them. And basically this look is pretty easy. Some of the things were affordable. I try to use some affordable stuff. I have to use high name brand concealers only because the coverage I need it. So you can definitely alter what you want to use. So definitely stay tuned for other like tricks and how to save basically and still look like a baddie. Be on the lookout for this look. Why would you be on the lookout for this look if it's already out? You guys like this look, and if you try it out, tag me, post me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey Google, bring volume up. Alright guys.